Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I did intend for this video to be a talk through, but it didn't quite work out that way, so I apologize for that. So this is the palette. These are the colors. They're beautiful. It's a beautiful palette. So I already went ahead and primed my eyes and set and did all that stuff. So the first color I'm going to go in with is Cabana. It's that yellow mustard color on the left. And I'm just going to take that with my brush and apply it to my crease and go back and forth in circular motions. And here I just apply a little more. You can just do that to get it as deep as you want. I want the color to show a little bit more, so I added some. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Coastline, which is that pink peachy color. And I'm adding this on top of Cabana, but a little bit lower, so it's kind of going on my lid. And I'm just doing the same, going back and forth in circular motions. Next, I'm taking the color Monte Carlo, which is that pinky Barbie color. And I am adding that on top of Coastline, and I'm adding that a little bit lower, still in the crease, but a little bit lower. So I want this look to be an everyday wearable look, something that you can wear during the day and it's not going to be super harsh. So next, I'm going to go in with the color Yacht, and I'm taking that with my finger and then just adding that to the center of my eyelid. And then I'm going to be taking a brush and blending everything together. So now that both eyes are done, I am going to be going in on the lower lash line, and I'm going to do the same steps that I did to the top. I'm going to go in with Cabana. I'm adding that to both sides. And then I will be taking Coastline, adding that on top. So here I am adding the color Monte Carlo, and that's going to be the last color that I add to my lower lash line. And I'm just blending everything together. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara. You can definitely use falsies for this look, but I personally didn't want to go ahead and do that. So I just added some mascara to my top lashes and bottom lashes. So here you have it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.